3, 2, 1, go shoot. What? Hell's Reaper, around 450 kick, versus Perseus Dark, bumper 680 wedge. Let the battle begin. This Beyblade battle is basically Bird or Robin Kazami versus Lantz Roji. And this battle did happen in the anime and manga, so I'm doing it in real life. Either way, let's get this battle started. If you'd like to support this channel, feel free to like, comment, share, or subscribe. All those things help a lot. You can also use my code, the Legendary R, and it saves you 5% on model toys, 7% off on Bays and Bricks, and I think it's 10% off on Noozle 3D. Thank you, I appreciate it. Your support helps a lot. And now, let's get on to the rest of the video. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Let's see if Bird can get his first win. It's coming down to the wire. And Perseus Dark takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! What? Okay, that's weird. The winner is Hell's Reaper with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Hell's Reaper takes that round with another finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh wow! Hell's Reaper takes that round with another over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh wow! Hell's Reaper tipping over. Perseus Dark isn't looking too good either though. And Hell's Reaper takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. It's coming down to the wire. Both Beyblades are tipping over. And Perseus Dark takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, it's coming down to the wire. Let's see who wins. Perseus Dark is looking pretty strong right now. And Hell's Reaper takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh no! Perseus Dark already bursted. It's just holding on. Or at least I think it bursted. Either way, let's see who wins. Will Perseus Dark be able to hold on? And Perseus Dark takes the round with a spin finish. It looked like it bursted earlier. Maybe it popped back in. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Both of these Beyblades aren't really that aggressive, now that I think about it. Either way, it's coming down to the wire, and Perseus Dark takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, Perseus Dark is holding on. Hell's Reaper isn't giving up. Coming down to the wire. And Hell's Reaper takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa. Okay. Hell's Reaper takes that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Hell's Reaper is doing his best, but Perseus Dark is staying strong. It's coming down to the wire. And Perseus Dark takes the round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Perseus Dark is holding on. Let's see who wins. Hell's Reaper takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Looks like Perseus Dark bursted. Let's see what happens though. And Hell's Reaper takes the round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Big hits. Coming down to the wire. Oh, that was really close. I think Perseus Dark might have won with the spin finish, but I'm not sure. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Hell's Reaper is doing his best. And Perseus Dark takes that round with another finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Hell's Reaper is trying his best. Oh wow. Perseus Dark seemed like it bursted again. Let's see what happens though. Will Perseus Dark be able to take the win? And it doesn't. Hell's Reaper takes that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay, Hell's Reaper isn't giving up. Let's see who wins. Perseus Dark is holding on. And Perseus Dark takes it around with a spin finish. And yeah, it bursted. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Hell's Reaper takes that round with an extreme finish. Okay, so this battle was really just interesting. I'm kind of surprised that Hell's Reaper was just so... I'm not sure. I would say slow, but it wasn't exactly slow. It was like all the hits just didn't really seem to hit that hard. And Hell's Reaper in general just doesn't hit hard anyway, so yeah, it's kind of weird. Either way, I'll announce the winner now. The winner is Hell's Reaper. Round 450